Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Nail Candy Shop. Just a disclaimer, I am still sick. If you follow me on Instagram, you already knew that. So I might sound a little funny, or maybe I'm hard to hear. I don't know. And also, most of you know I have children, so you will hear them eventually. If that's a problem, you might just want to turn down the volume, or you might not want to watch it all. I don't know. That's up to you. But today I will be doing the demo on the Acrygel I got from Modelones. I did promise this video a couple of weeks ago, but you know, life. I'll be using alcohol instead of slip solution. I've actually never used their slip solution. I just heard that I could use alcohol, so that's what I decided to do. I also got this double-sided brush from them as well. I'll leave a link down below. On one side there's a spatula that you can use to scrape the Acrygel out of the bottle, and then on the other side is this really nice brush. And I will be sculpting this nail using these forms I got from eBay. I will leave a link down below. And my nail is already prepped. I'm only doing this one nail for this demo. I'll be repairing a broken thumbnail. I like to just take it all off rather than, try to actually repair it. So I took it off, and I will be sculpting out this using the clear Acrygel. So if you didn't see my first video, the quick review on the Acrygel, I will leave an eye above so you can see that. You can hear my thoughts on it. And what you just saw me doing was just simply sticking the spatula in the alcohol so the polygel would come off of it very easily. And like I said, my nail has already been prepped. It has been primed, and I also put on my base coat. And now I am just going in with my application. I do want to tell you guys that this is very beginner friendly. I am not a nail technician. I am not trained in any way, shape, or form. I am YouTube trained. I have simply been watching videos for the last few years on acrylics, and then I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, I must try it. And it is literally a cross between acrylic and gel. So it's definitely beginner friendly. If you're new to acrylics and even to gel, it's so much easier. I've never tried my hand at gel before this, so I can't really speak too much on gel, but definitely easier to begin with than acrylic. Also, this is real time. This is me working in real time. I decided not to speed it up. I figured the video wouldn't be too long because I'm only doing this one nail. So yeah, this is how slow I actually work. As you guys can see, I've been playing with this for a while, trying to perfect my shape. And like I said, this is really what makes this Acrygel so beginner friendly, because with acrylic, as soon as you make that ball of acrylic on your brush, it starts to cure and time is not on your side. With this stuff, you can just play with it as long as you need to perfect it, and have a lot less filing in the end. Alright, so I have cured this already in my LED lamp for a minute, and I'm popping off my form and then I am just going to add a bit more to the top of it because it's a little thin. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so it's a little bit harder for me to build up like my apex and my strength for the nail. And in the first bead, I've seen plenty of people who've been doing it far longer than me get a nice size ball on there and get the nail structure in one bead, then cure it, then file and done. Like I said, it's not me. I'm not a professional, so it takes a bead or two or three. You guys, today is September 5th, and that means that the giveaway will be ending in 2 days, September 7th. Winners will be drawn the next day. If you haven't already joined, I suggest you go and check out the original post or message me and I will send you all of the details, all the rules if you're interested in joining. It's gonna be a big one, so yeah, you're gonna want to join. And here is the finished look after the nail has been filed and shaped and polished. I really love this stuff. It is definitely beginner friendly. I've actually been wearing this for a while now. I want to say like a month and a half or so. I haven't even worn acrylics for a while. This stuff is great. I would definitely suggest it to any newbies like myself, people who are self-training. It is really great. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will leave everything that I used today down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and join the giveaway while you still can. It ends in 2 days. And I also have a really awesome sale with really great deals going on right now. So go take advantage of that. And I will see you guys later. Bye.